It has even earned the Woolmark and Good Housekeeping seal. Dry up. Suddenly dry clean only? Isn't.
44.
Or
Which cough medicine would you choose?
44.
or
Vicks 44 that lasts up to 8 hours? Or Robitussin DM you should take every 4?
44.
or
Get up to 4 hours more with Vicks 44.
The talented Mr. Ripley has been nominated for 5 Golden Globe Awards, including Best Picture of the Year, Best Actor Matt Damon, and Best Director Anthony Minghella. Matt Damon, Gwyneth Paltrow, Jude Law. The talented Mr. Ripley, rated R, now playing.
Oh, the tragedy.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Louisiana Parish Emergency Management Agency. At exactly 12 a.m. a technical error caused the River Bend nuclear generating station's core to overheat. The possibility of an explosion is high. An evacuation order has been issued for northern East Baton Rouge Parish, southwestern East Louisiana Parish, eastern Point Coupee Parish, northwestern West Baton Rouge Parish, and southeastern West Louisiana Parish. Do not delay. Take either Route 61 going north, Highway 1 going west, or Highway 10 going east to exit the 10-mile radius of the emergency planning zone. Again, an evacuation order has been issued for northern East Baton Rouge Parish, southwestern East Louisiana Parish, I grave, I acute, I grave, I acute, I grave, I acute, I grave, 1/2, I grave, copyright, I grave, inverted exclamation point, I grave, send, I grave, inverted exclamation point, I acute, I grave, I. Syntax error. Contact System Administrator.